First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself, Venu Madhuri, I am the student of 8th grade in the next double school. Today I am standing in front of you to say about the Phoenix Capability Building Kit. Phoenix Capability Building Kit. It is also known as educational trip. Education trip. When we go into an educational trip, we can know about the language, the importance of that, and the culture and food, all etc. In that we in our school taking an education trip to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. We started at Sunday. We and first visited area is Salaja Museum. Salaja Museum. Salaja Museum is it's constructed by 1932. 1932. In that we we, we saw the bowls, the glasses of that. That means how they use in that time, and how the knives and how they coins will be there, and how they will use about that, and how they use the chairs, how they prepare the chairs and the sofas and the jewelry items. Like that we saw bowls, glasses, jewelry, coins, Mughal Empire coins, Indian coins in 19th century and 18th century. In 19th century, how the bowls will be there, and 18th century, how the bowls will be there, and the glasses of the cost, and the what is the name of them, what is the name of that thing. And next, we visited the security area. Security area. That means it is the largest one in Hyderabad. In that we it is so beautiful like a mahal. In that the tight schedule, and that soldiers are in every point they see, and they monitoring the whole, whole security area. We rounded the security area and we take the photos of that, and it is seeing we get a happy feeling to see that, and it is a memorable day of me, all my friends also. And next we visited the airport. Airport. Uh, we see the different types of people, like European people, and what is the slang of that, and what is the language, how they will uh, communication with us, and the American peoples, all etc. In that airport, how the missions are, how the airports will land, how the airport will be there, and what is the thing in that. After we went to the millets factory. Millets factory. Do you know that when we forming a rice, in that we will in forming a rice, do you observe it take the more time, like 6 months, 6 months or more. In that millets not like that. In millets it will grow on 120 days only. In ancient time it is a poor diet pit. Poor people will eat. In now it's the rich people diet. In that then in ancient time that is the poor people will eat. It is the main thing we should observe. In the next we one madam take us a class. How many types of millets are there? In that how many types of millets are there? How in that types they divided it as in a two. That means major and minor. Comparing to the major will grow very late, like 130 days, 140 days. In minor it will grow 120 days and 100, like that. In that we can observe the two difference. In that so many millets are there. In millets we can nutritions high. In that costly millet is the brown top millet. Brown top millet, why it is the cost means it is the main millet. It's a diet millet also. In that nutrition level is a high, and the protein level is the high, and the how diet level is also high. In that we can take daily one cup of it. We can our growth and our studies also will be there. I'm thankfully to say about that madam saying about this millet, and it is so see. And we went to the recycling And next we went to the recycling method. Recycling method. Do you know that recycling method? That means, uh, do you know paneer? After that paneer, the remaining water, they will make a biscuits. This is a recycling method, and they didn't wasting the food also. It is so precious thing to that like things. And next, books recycling. Books recycling, that means they collecting the, they going to the schools and collecting the, which was used already, and then making the again the paper, using that book only, and again they're making the papers. That means they're not selling, selling, sold, but they're giving if they whoever need that books, they're giving free. That means they're distributing the books. And these companies should run because they're taking the orders from the schools. Then they're taking the orders from the schools, they go and they're making the books. Next we went to the NIMSME. In that, first set first entrepreneur. How is entrepreneur will be there? What is entrepreneur? What is entrepreneur? And how to become an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur, two types are there: self-employment, self-employed, and wage employed. Wage employed. Wage employed means employment which under the boss. In that, the schedule will be there.